Journey of closing. Now you have done everything. Now it's the time to close the project. Most of the time people consider this topic as most difficult topic. So let me make it very simple for you guys. First of all, we can only start closing in two ways. Either you have completed the project, your deliverables have been finalized, or you got like accepted deliverables, you can say like. So step number one, you have your deliverable have passed through quality and then client, and they have become accepted deliverable. You have accepted deliverable. Or second thing is that your project got terminated, cancelled, whatever the reason. In both cases, closing remains same. In both cases, closing remains same. Okay, so you got accepted deliverable. All those accepted deliverable are coming down, and they are also bringing few documents with that for closing. You get all the project documents, all 33 documents, your plan, you are getting procurement documents, your business documents. These are very important because at the end you are going to measure how much benefits you have received. What are the benefits that were imagined and have done? Your, of course, project charter, accepted deliverable is always there, and OPS so that you can update your lesson learned registers, EF just to see in the context. So very important thing, you need 8 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. Then they come to you. Now you have all those things. Now you do analysis on them. You do meetings. You want the meeting to see how much you have done. You do regression analysis, like checking the variable, increasing one, decreasing them, find out the correlation. Okay, how this factor has done, and of course variance analysis. You perform all those things, and you get, if the project is approved, you get the final product. The first step of closing, final product. You get the final product, you start handing it over. You start handing it over to the client. Hey, this is my final product. You start handing over. Like the transition process is there. This is more of a transition process has been started. In the meantime, final report is being written. You start writing final report. Project documents are start being updated. You start writing lesson learned. Okay. Once final report is finalized, lesson learns are updated, they are checked, lesson learns are put into the lesson learn repository. All the project documents are put into project documents archive. Final report is submitted to the sponsor. So if the sponsor approved, we communicate following communication management plan. All the lessons, all those things are done. Then we start closing contracts, all the procurement contracts or open issues, or the lessons will be there, and now we release the team. This is very important, very critical. You cannot release the team without closing all those things. Hey guys, who will write down these things? Project manager? No. So you need maybe 20-30% of the team there, but this depends again on your team management plan, resource management plan. But you cannot release the entire team. Even if the project is terminated, you need to update all those things, get the lesson learned, update the documents archive, close in a professional way, do administrative closure, all those things, release that team, and finally you need to celebrate the success. So putting the closing process again, the accepted deliverable are converted into final product. We hand over it to the customer. It goes into the transition phase or warranty phase. You start updating documents, you archive the document, you write down the lesson learned, put the lesson learned into the lesson learned repository, you write the final report with all the lessons, even it's terminated, what did well, what can be improved, all those things. You give it to sponsor, approved it. Once all those things are done, procurement documents are closed, the issues are highlighted, everything is closed, you release the team, you close the project, and you celebrate the success. Very important and very small journey of closing. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is a very important journey. I'm thinking also to make on initiation, planning, execution, just in case you can understand the flow of the process in the future. Guys, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe it. Our commitment to the YouTube is increasing day by day, day by day. And if you have not done PMP yet and thinking about the program, we can have one-to-one program that is suitable to you. If you have done training already, if you have failed already, and you don't have so much time and want to clear exam, we can help you clear in 3 or 4 weeks. Or you can join our batch program starting on 10th of September, but only 2 slots are left in that program. See you, bye bye, and become a certified PMP. Live with passion.